Supreme Court has convicted Duncan Grant and Allan John Waters in the paedophile case. Rhythm has all the details with us on the phone line. Rhythm?
Absolutely, Harishi. What's happened today is in a landmark judgment that the court has given. It's gone ahead and convicted an Indian and two British citizens. Remember, Duncan Grant and Allan John Waters were very infamous in the paedophile case of the Mumbai orphanage. Times now had continued to follow them in 2008. Today, the court has convicted them. A Bombay High Court, in fact, had acquitted the two British citizens who were convicted for sexually abusing children. However, they were acquitted in the matter because there was lack of evidence, according to the Bombay High Court. However, the Supreme Court today has upturned the order of the Bombay High Court, upheld the lower court order, has convicted Duncan Grant, Allan Waters, who were in jail due to lack of evidence. Now their conviction once again stands. Remember, the three were charged for sexually exploiting 5 minor boys. They were, in fact, in 2008 also released from a Nagpur jail, Harish, and at that time we saw these British nationals walking away, accused in the infamous Anchorage paedophile case. They were charged with molesting 5 minor boys under their care in the Mumbai shelter. In fact, their release had come as quite a shock to NGOs who had finally come to the Supreme Court and appealed in the Supreme Court against the sentence. Both Duncan Grant, Allan Waters in the court had maintained they were innocent, they were just working with children. However, following their release, they had said that we will be answering the questions. Remember, the case came to light in 2001. That's when 5 minor boys themselves filed a police complaint against Grant, Waters and the Indian associate D'Souza, accusing all of them of sexual abuse. Now remember, these boys were inmates of an Anchorage. It was a shelter for street children that had been set up by Duncan Grant himself in 1995. However, they allegedly, while Duncan would sexually exploit them, had said Waters would regularly accompany Grant. The boys allegedly were beaten by these people. They were physically assaulted by them. Waters was extradited in 2004. Grant surrendered in 2005. But the big news here, Harishri, today the court has gone ahead in this paedophile infamous Anchorage case, has convicted these people. They were earlier acquitted by the Bombay High Court, but in a landmark judgment, the court comes ahead and convicts all of them for charges of sexual abuse of these 5 minor children in Bombay.
That's